Hello everyone, welcome to SODAPUNCH soda machine. Look at this. This is our 6+1 non-electric machine. Look at this. This is 6 carbonate valve and other one is mango valve. Look at this. Body is totally stainless steel 304. Body structure is so good. It's totally customized product. It's going to Lucknow. Look at this. It's extra flavors like jaljeera, masala and extra flavors. This is CO2 cylinder key. Look at this. It's very good quality. And this is CO2 regulator. This is CO2 cylinder. It's 18 kg CO2 cylinder. It's 7 flavor tank. We will providing you in complimentary. Look at this. It's totally non-electric machine. No inverter, no battery, no power supply. Like, comment and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.